Friends, hello. I hope you are doing well. I was gonna make a video today talking about Mullen Automotive, talking some junk about that stock, and in doing so, no doubt pissing off a lot of people, but we'll save that video. So I thought I would talk about a stock that I have been getting probably for the last few months now, American Rebel Holdings. This is kind of, I'm going to be completely honest with you, this is a stock, a company that I have really been avoiding talking about. A few months ago, this stock was a huge meme stock, talk of the town, had a lot of things just going on with it with squeezes where it was just being really pushed and hyped up, and I'm not going to go into all the nitty-gritty details about it because there's a lot of old news that's not really relevant anymore, and there's, you know, we're just going to talk about what we're seeing right now with the actual physical stock. So here's what we're looking at with American Rebel, AREB. So let's go ahead and just talk about some things. So there's two sides of the situation right now, like most penny stocks right now. There's people going that, you know, there's going to be a squeeze. And, you know, I'm a firm believer, because I've seen this many times, that when a stock is this cheap, around a 15-20 cent zone, it is very easy for it to have a squeeze. Now, when I say a squeeze, I mean, like, you know, from a 16 cents to a 50 cents to maybe 80 cents, a dollar. That's a huge push. I mean, if you're buying thousands and thousands of shares for, you know, that cheap, you're talking about a huge boost, even going to 50 cents from there. Is a squeeze possible? Yes, absolutely. But here comes my negative talk with that, so don't hate me right now, but here's what I do want to say with this. You know, American Rebel here, I have nothing against this company, I have nothing against the stock, I like everything about them. The company is just in a little bit of a tight situation right now. It's already had a reverse split back in February of 2022, so more than likely it looks like it's going to be having another reverse split, and this is just kind of where things are right now. You know, a lot of penny stocks are struggling right now, especially penny stocks that have already been in a bad situation for X amount of time, and retail stocks in general are struggling a little bit. They're just not the main topic right now in the stock market. Now, looking at the whole month of this stock right here, you know, there has not been much wiggle room. We really just from a 17 to a 14 to a 13, and that's where we've been. Now, as of late, we have seen an 18 back to a 17 here cent range. So, I mean, yeah, if you're buying thousands and thousands of shares here, people are making, you know, money here. But here's two big issues. Like I said, they've already had one reverse split. Obviously, they could have another reverse split. This stock has been under $1 since July of 2022. So we're just but a month away. Well, I mean, a month and some change here for the stock being under $1. So what does that mean? That means that NASDAQ will come calling again and say, hey, you need to do a reverse split or apply for an extension. Now, here's the other situation on top of that, the dangerous situation. And this is where I really want people to listen. If you don't know, you need to know. If you're new in the market or you've been here a minute but you don't know, here's something very important. If a stock hits 10 cents or goes under 10 cents, the clock starts ticking right then and there. A stock, once it goes under 10 cents, has only so many days to get above 10 cents before NASDAQ says, hey, we can't play this game anymore. You've got to get this stock of, above 10 cents at least. And they are forced to do a reverse split. If not, it could go even worse and they could get delisted. So we're not talking about delisting right now with this stock. We're not seeing that. But we are in the realm of reverse split. We're very close. And this is exactly what happened to Mullen. If people don't know what happened to Mullen, I mean, this is like prime example right here. People were just pushing, trade of hands. It was getting used and abused. People were making money here, there. And that's fine. That's what this is. We're trading here. But sometimes stocks can't survive, and we are seeing a company right now that has been coming off some damage here. So friends, the Skippy here, we've got a company that's got under $3 million market cap. It is in trouble of going into another reverse split. Is a squeeze possible here? Sure, absolutely, everything is possible. You know, I would personally like to see more. I want this to work. Like, I'm not in here saying, like, you know, I don't want it to work. Of course I want it to work. I know there's people that have money wrapped up in this. I want everybody to win here. I would just like to see more breadcrumbs. I would like to see this go to a 20-25, and that would personally make me feel better before I was to put, you know, X amount of money in this just to get a squeeze. Is this going above $1? No, there's no way. Right now, there's not. I say that because, well, let me rephrase that. Is this going above $1 to stay? More than likely, no. We're not seeing that right now. The company needs news. It needs something happening right now, and we're just not seeing that. The company's not even really talking. Let's be honest here. Like, they haven't really come out with a lot here. But to see a little bit of a squeeze set up, we've got this. You know, we'll start back on May 9th right here, where we hit a 16. Then we go to May 16th. We hit a 18, and now we're to May 24th, where we see this 17 cent. I wish it was at least a 19. That would be a little more of a giveaway there, what's going on. But we could be seeing some breadcrumbs of something forming here, to maybe to a 20 cent to a 25 cent zone. Like I said, I'm not saying this can't work. I'm just saying it's in a dangerous place. And listen, I've seen stocks come out of the depths like this. I have seen companies just rebound, where the company hits a deal, they start talking, something happens, they just, you know, they get a new CEO who's hungry and happy and likes to talk about the company and say good things. All these things are possible. I would just be very careful putting all your chips into this if you're looking for a long-term investment right now. When a stock goes under 20 cents, I go, okay, whoa. When it goes close to 10 cents, I go, okay, this is really dangerous right now. So friends, there's chum in the water, and we will see if American Rebel Holdings makes it here. I hope it does. Man, let me know where you're at with it. You know, are you trading it? Are you looking for a long-term investment? Like I said, long-term, I'm not there personally. Squeeze, like I said, yeah, we've seen crazier things happen. Is a squeeze to 20 cents to 50 cents to maybe even $1 possible? If it were to be squeezed to $1, I don't believe it would hold $1 unless it had some kind of new deal, something happening. You know, it's going to take big buy-ins with shares and people to really believe in what's going on with this company right now. So friends, I'm rooting for all of us. I'm hoping the best for the company, for the stock, and everything that's going on with it. Friends, take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.